Today we're going to be looking at angles and how we can put them into 4 different categories. This is going to be very important when we start to measure angles in the next lesson. This is the first of 2 special angles that we're going to be able to name, and it's called a right angle. And it's called a right angle because this right here is a right angle. It's a 90-degree angle, and we'll be able to talk about that more when we use the protractor. It is when 2 lines, if I can just imagine that this line goes on and this line goes on, are perpendicular to each other. If you think of one of the lines as the 12 o'clock and the other one as the 3 o'clock on a clock face, you can see that 90-degree angle. Mathematicians show that it's a 90-degree angle by putting in this box right here, and that box lets you know that it's 90 degrees even if for some reason your eyes are being tricked into thinking it's not 90 degrees, maybe if the angle is drawn something like this. Then a mathematician would put the box right here and say to you, whether it looks like 90 degrees or not, I'm telling you this is supposed to be a 90-degree angle. The next special angle that we're going to name is called a straight angle. Straight like a straight line. Now a straight angle is shown as just as a simple straight line, but if we were to measure this angle, it would always equal 180 degrees. Again, when we use the protractor, that'll make more sense. But just so you remember, a straight angle, when you measure it, either side of the line, is going to equal 180 degrees. That's a straight angle. The next 2 angles I'm going to talk about refers to a range of angles. So for example, this particular angle is any angle, and I'm going to put, this is where you would measure, any angle that is 90 degrees or less. So less than 90 degrees. And we call those angles acute. And now I like to think of it, because they're tiny little angles, as acute, like a cute little kitten. So anything less than 90 degrees, and here would be a 90-degree angle. Anything less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. Any angle that is greater than 90 degrees, again we would measure from here to here, any angle greater than 90 degrees is called an obtuse angle. And I like to think of the word obtuse, the opposite of an acute little tiny angle is an obtuse, a big fat angle. What I'm drawing on here now is a 90-degree angle, so you can see that it's larger than a 90-degree angle. I'm going to go ahead and put some angles on here. I'd like you to copy the angles to bring in back into school with you. And then afterwards, go ahead and go back in the video and see how you did. And if you need to make any corrections, please do that. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.